Today we'll talk about how can you select types of wake on your Scott Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here, and just click here in this sign. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, you just click on settings here. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on notifications, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on dice of wake, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So and here can you select here dice of wake, and you click here on select, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.